Today we're taking a look at 3 different electric screwdrivers. We've got the HOTO here, and then we've got the Fanttik Apex, which is a big dude. And then we've got the Fanttik Max, which is actually this one, which I'm gonna pop that guy out. And the Fanttik Max is kind of a pin-sized screwdriver. It's got a little flashlight right there. You can screw away with it just like that. So that's a Fanttik Max, and you're gonna love it when you see what's inside of this box. It's really cool how it works. So first I'm gonna show you the HOTO and what you get with the HOTO. The HOTO is a really nice feeling one. I really like this rubberized body. It has a nice feeling up and down switch here. This turns it on and rotates it. I'll go ahead and just grab one of these bits. We'll grab the big bit. I'll stick the big bit in there. So if you press up, it'll rotate it, I believe that's clockwise, and then down, rotates it counterclockwise. And then you just slide it over to change it between speeds. 3 is pretty quick, and then 1 is a more manageable speed, and that's pretty cool. It's also got the light ring around the front, so you can light up and see what you're working on. The HOTO comes with a really nice box that has a lid for it, and the lid just sits on just like this. And in this box, you have all your different bits for the screwdriver. So you've got a bunch of different bits here, and it's just a really nice set. It's a really nice kit. Now that we're done looking at the HOTO, we're gonna come over and look at the Fanttik Apex. And this is a big old screwdriver. It comes with a lot of bits. These are your longer bits. They aren't just like the simple little ones that, look at the HOTO here. So with the HOTO, you get these bits. This is actually like the longer style bits. So that can be a good thing and it can be a bad thing depending on what kind of job you're working on. But I assume if you're using this guy, space does not come at a cost because it is a bigger screwdriver, but it does have more kick. And that's kind of the trade-off for it being bigger, is that it is a little more powerful. But the HOTO will definitely get the job done, but you can actually change the torque setting on this guy. So you can change it from high to low. And that'll allow you to like screw a screw into drywall or something without punching a hole in it. So that's really cool. Then you've got your button to reverse it or not. And then there's the switch on the back that makes it do its thing. So one of the really cool things about this one is that it's very adjustable as far as the torque rating goes. So you can change it from high to low, pressing this, and it'll change the speed of it. And then you can press over here on this button here. I really like these face buttons. You can press this button to go up and then to go down. So that'll do your clockwise and counterclockwise. And then you can rotate the top of it, and that actually changes the torque setting. So you can get more torque out of it by changing that setting. So that's really cool that it is adjustable in that way. They definitely built this to be like a powerhouse of screwdrivers. It also has the light on the end of it as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. It's a very lovely case, and I'll put the bit back too. This looks really nice. So now we're gonna move on to the Fanttik Max. So this is like a screwdriver sized electric screwdriver. This is something that'd be great to go in your purse, to go in a little toolbox. I can throw this in my electrical bag that just has my electrical tools. This has a high and low setting at the bottom, so you can adjust the torque by just moving this. And then you press up on the button right here, and then you can press down, and that'll change which direction it's going. And I'll show you that in just a second after I do a quick magic trick where I press in on this and then this pops out, and you've got all these bits with the Fanttik Max, and they're in this cool little packaging here. And it's just this rectangle that goes back inside, and it has a clicking mechanism. I just put it in backwards. So we're gonna put it in correctly, and it just clicks just like that, and then it won't fall out. And you click it again, boom, and it comes out. So then we've got our different bits. So I'm just gonna grab a random like spade bit here and put that in. And then I can just press up, and now I'm unscrewing, and now I'm screwing. So it's really cool. It's really easy to use. This is very portable, and I think this is the most portable option out of the 3. The Fanttik Apex is really nice, and it's really big, and it's really powerful, but this one is actually much more portable, and it is smaller, and it can still get the job done. If you need to screw something in or unscrew it, definitely check this thing out. The Fanttik Next, this is the coolest packaging I think I've ever seen. I'm gonna put that back in there. Screwdriver fits right in the middle. And that's all there is to it for the Fanttik Apex, the Fanttik Next, and the HOTO. All three really great electric screwdrivers. That's about it for now. If you get one of these, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.